dear Munchkins, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel First in Class. Kids, wish you all a very happy Baisakhi, and today's video is very special because we are going to make a beautiful Baisakhi card. So, if you want to make this card with me, just watch the video till the end.
So my dear learner, as you know, we are going to celebrate Baisakhi, and I told you we are going to make beautiful Baisakhi card. So for that you will need a glue, a scale, pair of scissors, sketch pen, pencil eraser, and some of these wheat and this kind of paper, that is a ruled paper, and this kind of printed sheet, and one big white paper. So first of all, you need to fold this paper into half and press it tightly so that it becomes like a card. And we are going to make a vertical card today. So first of all, we need to cut this paper. I'm going to stick over here. So let's start with this. We have to measure this paper, draw a straight line, and then cut it. Now we need to stick it over here. Now what you need to do is, we are going to cut a piece of this paper which is smaller than this one. So let's start. So what we have to do now is we just have to paste it on the top like this. So this is done. Now what you can do is, you can frame this card with this kind of strip. So we are going to take out this thing. So we are going to paste it like this. After that, what you need to do is, you need to take these wheat. So wheat, and we are going to stick it like this. So start pasting it. So you can stick it like this using tape. And what can we do next is, we need to just hide this using this remaining paper. So we need to just cut this paper. So draw a line, cut the extra paper, just paste it like this. If you want to do more, you can color the background with your favorite colors, or you can add some flowers or some other glitter sheet, colorful things, glitter, sparkle, whatever you want. But I just want to keep it like this. Here you can write any message. So let us write beautiful message over here. So kids, our card is ready. Here you can write the messages. So our card is totally ready. I hope you like it.
So kids, I hope you love this beautiful Baisakhi card, and you are going to definitely make it. So we will meet in our next video with another interesting topic. Till then, take care, bye bye, and a very happy Baisakhi to you all.